Martial law is the temporary imposition of direct military control of normal civil functions or suspension of civil law by a government, especially in response to a temporary emergency where civil forces are overwhelmed, or in an occupied territory. Martial law can be used by governments to enforce their rule over the public, as seen in multiple countries listed below. Such incidents may occur after a coup d'état, or to stabilize insurrections or perceived insurrections. Martial law may be declared in cases of major natural disasters. However, most countries use a different legal construct, such as a state of emergency. Martial law has also been imposed during conflicts, and in cases of occupations, where the absence of any other civil government provides for an unstable population. Examples of this form of military rule include post-World War II reconstruction in Germany and Japan, the recovery and reconstruction of the former Confederate States of America during Reconstruction era in the United States of America following the American Civil War, and German occupation of northern France between 1871 and 1873 after the Treaty of Frankfurt ended. The Franco-Prussian War. Typically, the imposition of martial law accompanies curfews, the suspension of civil law, civil rights, and habeas corpus, and the application or extension of military law or military justice to civilians. Civilians defying martial law may be subjected to military tribunal. During the September 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh clashes, Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan declared martial law. The Black War was a period of violent conflict between British colonists and Aboriginal Australians in Tasmania from the mid-1820s to 1832, with an escalation of violence in the late 1820s. Lieutenant Governor George Arthur declared martial law in November 1828, effectively providing legal immunity for killing Aboriginal people. It would remain in force for more than 3 years, the longest period of martial law in the history of the British colonies on the Australian continent. As of 2020, martial law has never been declared since the continent became a nation. Brunei has been under a martial law since a rebellion occurred on 8 December 1962 known as the Brunei Revolt and was put down by British troops from Singapore. The Sultan of Brunei, Sultan Haji Hassanal Bolkiah Muizzuddin Wadaulah, is presently the head of state and also the Minister of Defence and Commander-in-Chief of Royal Brunei Armed Forces. The War Measures Act was a Parliament of Canada statute that allowed the government to assume sweeping emergency powers, stopping short of martial law, i.e., the military did not administer justice, which remained in the hands of the courts. The act was invoked 3 times, during World War I, World War II, and the October Crisis of 1970. In 1988, the War Measures Act was replaced by the Emergencies Act. During the colonial era, martial law was proclaimed and applied in the territory of the province of Quebec during the invasion of Canada by the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War in 1775 to 1776. It was also applied twice in the province of Lower Canada during the 1837 to 1838 insurrections. On December 5, following the events of November 1837, martial law was proclaimed in the District of Montreal by Governor Gosford, without the support of the Legislative Assembly of Lower Canada. It was imposed until April 27, 1838. martial law was proclaimed a second time on November 4, 1838, this time by acting Governor John Colborne, and was applied in the district of Montreal until August 24, 1839. In Egypt, a state of emergency has been in effect almost continuously since 1967. Following the assassination of President Anwar el-Sadat in 1981, a state of emergency was declared. Egypt has been under state of emergency ever since, with few short exceptions. Parliament had renewed emergency laws every 3 years since they were imposed. The legislation was extended in 2003 and were due to expire at the end of May 2006. Plans were in place to replace it with new anti-terrorism laws. But after the Dahab bombings in April of that year, state of emergency was renewed for another 2 years. In May 2008 there was a further extension to June 2010. In May 2010, the state of emergency was further extended, albeit with a promise from the government to be applied only to terrorism and drugs suspects. A state of emergency gives military courts the power to try civilians and allows the government to detain for renewable 45-day periods and without court orders anyone deemed to be threatening state security. Public demonstrations are banned under the legislation. On 10 February 2011, the ex-president of Egypt, Hosni Mubarak, promised the deletion of the relevant constitutional article that gives legitimacy to state of emergency in an attempt to please the mass number of protesters that demanded him to resign. On the 11th of February 2011, the president stepped down and the vice